Today I am going to show you a cool physics trick with help of this bottle of a string. So I am going to help this bottle with a string in air like this only, with help of only 3 toothpicks. Have you ever seen? Let's try it out. First toothpick. I am using this object to hold this toothpick as it is for a few seconds while I am arranging this. Second toothpick. And the last one, third. So what if I remove this? You will be thinking that this will fall. Let's see. Oh, this is stable as it is. So how this happened? Let's understand. First of all, in simple language, the string is exerting force downwards, and this toothpick is exerting force upwards. So both force are equal in magnitude and in opposite direction makes the net force acting is zero. And as the net force is zero, how can an object move? So automatically the displacement will not be there. So you will be thinking that how the magnitude of force would be same. The bottle is heavier than this toothpick. So why is it not falling and the magnitude are same? So let's understand. When I haven't attached these two toothpicks, the center of mass was in the middle of this bottle and it will fall. But when I attach these two toothpicks, the center of mass had converted from here to here in the middle of the second toothpick. So when the gravity has pulled it, the force was downwards. So as the force was downwards from the center of mass, the force has reflected back from this horizontal toothpick from to the upward side. According to Newton's third law, it would be reflected. The force which is exerting downwards will reflected with same with the same magnitude, with reflected with the same magnitude upwards, and thus exerting force upwards. So the string is exerting force downwards and this toothpick is exerting force upward with equal magnitude in opposite direction, thus making the net force zero, and thus there is no displacement. So we can say in the words of physics, we can say in the words of physics, the principle used in this arrangement is equilibrium, in which many forces are acting, but at the last the net force becomes zero, as we have seen. Thank you.